Hey everyone! I'm a team member at SingingCarrots.com, and today I want to provide an honest and clear overview of what 30-Day Singer offers beginners, highlighting its strengths and pointing out where it might lack certain tools you might find essential. What 30-Day Singer does well. 30-Day Singer is excellent for absolute beginners who appreciate structured daily video lessons. The platform offers professionally produced tutorials taught by experienced vocal coaches, making it easy to understand foundational concepts like breath support, posture, and basic vocal technique. If you prefer guided programs with step-by-step instructions, it's a solid choice to get started and build confidence in singing. So what 30-Day Singer doesn't provide? However, there are a few areas where 30-Day Singer falls short, especially if you're looking for interactive learning and real-time feedback. It lacks speech detection tools, immediate feedback on your accuracy, and interactive exercises to help beginners objectively track progress. Additionally, there is no built-in vocal range assessment or song library tailored to your vocal abilities. At SingingCarrots.com, we've developed tools precisely for these gaps. Our platform offers interactive pitch training and real-time visual feedback, allowing beginners to immediately see if they're hitting the right notes. We also provide vocal range assessment and an extensive song library, helping you find and practice songs that perfectly fit your voice. Furthermore, SingingCarrots integrates fun, gamified ear training exercises, making practice enjoyable and effective. In short, if you're seeking structured, video-guided lessons from scratch, 30-Day Singer is certainly beneficial. But if you need immediate pitch feedback, vocal range guidance, and interactive song practice, SingingCarrots provides essential, beginner-friendly tools to enhance your singing journey.